Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to find the MAC address of your NIC in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Finding the MAC address of your network interface card, NIC, in Windows is straightforward. Here are a few methods you can use. Method 1. Using command prompt. Press Windows key +R, type CMD, and press Enter. In the command prompt window, type and press Enter. Look for the physical address entries under your network adapters. These entries will show your MAC addresses. Or, in the command prompt window, type and press Enter. Look for the physical address entries under your network adapters. These entries will show your MAC addresses. Method 2. Using the Settings app. Press Windows key +I to open the Settings app. Click on Network and Internet in the Settings menu. In Windows 10, click on View Hardware and Connection Properties. In Windows 11, click on Advanced Network Settings. Click on Hardware and Connection Properties. Scroll down to find the physical address, MAC, entries under your network adapters. These entries will show your MAC addresses. Method 3. Using Control Panel. Press Windows key +R, type Control, and press Enter. Click on Network and Internet in the Control Panel. Click on View Network Status and Tasks. Click on the name of your network connection. In the Ethernet Status or Wi-Fi Status window, click on the Details button. Look for the physical address, MAC, entries. These entries will show your MAC addresses. These methods should help you easily find the MAC address of your NIC in Windows. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.